This video quickly walks you through on how to upload videos on OneDrive Mobile for iPhone. Let's just get right into it. To upload videos or a video on OneDrive mobile app for iPhone, these are the steps. First, tap on the OneDrive app for it to open. As the OneDrive app opens, ensure you are on the My Files tab. If you find yourself on Home, let me tap on Home. Please, this is not where to start from, okay? Then you need to tap on My Files. Alright, so once you're on this My Files, if you want to upload that video in a folder you have already created, tap on that folder, okay? And then start the rest of the process I'm going to discuss here. But here, I want it to be on this My Drives page, alright? So My Files page. So I will tap on the plus sign at the bottom right. So do the same from your end. You'll be provided with some options. You have folder, you have scan, you have upload, and some other files type. Select upload. Then you are provided with picture, photos and videos, browse and cancel. If the video you want to upload is saved in any of your files folder, select that browse. But here, the video we want to upload in this case is in the photos app. So select photos and videos. Then we are taken to this page. So this lists both pictures, both photos and videos. So navigate until you get to the video you want to upload and tap on it. So let me tap on mine. On tapping on the video, it will be selected. If you want to upload more than one videos, okay, you tap on the other one until you're satisfied with the number of videos you want to upload at a go. Okay, so once you're done with selection, tap on the add button at the top right. Now this video is now uploading on this OneDrive account. It's gonna take time depending on the size of the video file, but what is important is that you have to hold on. Once the uploading is completed, you will get a notification on this page, and here it says uploaded, so meaning that this video has been uploaded on this account. So let me scroll to see if I can get to it using the date. Okay, today is 16th, so I would look for 16th to see it here. And here is the video. It's with the date August 16 and size of 25.2 MB. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot of areas on technology. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have anything to ask. You can check out this video to learn more on OneDrive. Thank you and see you next time.